time I think of heartache, nothing comes to mind. Ever since you gave me love, I haven't seen a bad day in a while.
What's up, fam? We're here, week 4. We're about to do a walk slash run. I think I got some of the guys coming up now. Yep, we're doing it over here at the Western Highway, so let's go. Boom. Shop bus. Chorito. Shout Josephine. Nice. What's up, Faithy? Nah, you know what? It's not even week 4. My bad. It's week 5. Week 5. Let's get it. Halfway mark, man. Not bad, halfway mark, eh? Over here in West Auckland, mentality now. West Auckland at its finest. Check it out. And the busy highway. Nah, the rains are here. Bloody storm. Some of the team down there in the corner, they made it here a bit earlier while we're waiting for the rest to pull up. Hey guys, did you know there was a taniwha that lived in this little creek? Wow, cuz.
Flowers and the bees got nothing on you. That's true. We're just two lovebirds singing in the same tune. Ooh, never thought that I would feel the type of love that I have with you. Ooh, you took the pain from my heart and told me that we'd see it through. All the stars in the world could outshine us never. Because it's you and me forever. People search their whole lives for a love like ours. We're meant to be forever. You're a light in the dark.
Yeah, pole to pole, bro. Last one, son. Let's go, son. Let's go. Nice. Nice tee. Nice tush. Shall pass. Shall guys. Stop. Our support crew getting up, going. Hey, at least they were near the halfway. Mad effort. Good effort from the OGs. Coming up to a little hill. We'll try to run it up. Keyword, try. Let's go. die ugly on the hill. Hey Hope,
Hi, hello.
how are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, good. How was that run slash walk?
Oh, it was really good.
It was?
Yeah.
Awesome. Cool. I got 2 questions for you, okay? First question is, how come you joined the challenge?
The first, I guess the main reason why I joined was to support my family,
Nice.
like with their weight loss, and to encourage them. Yeah.
Cool. Awesome. And what would be your why? What would be your why?
My why would be, I guess for myself, is to get fit again and try get into a routine.
Awesome. Nice. Beautiful sauce. Thank you.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you. Hey Rita.
Hi.
Hey, how was that? How was that walk slash run?
It was alright. It was better than the last times I did it. So yeah, I feel like we all did good. We all supported each other.
Awesome. Okay, I got 2 questions for you, okay? First question, why did you join the challenge?
I joined for my own health and well-being. It's just to better myself you know, physically.
Nice.
And yeah,
Awesome. And second question is, what is your why?
my why is my siblings.
Your siblings?
Yeah.
Nice, good answer.
Yep.
Is that it?
That's all from me.
Thank you.
Never thought that I would feel the type of love that I have with you. You took the pain from my heart and told me that we'd see it through. All the stars in the world could outshine us never. Because it's you and me forever. People search their whole lives for a love like ours. We're meant to be forever. You're a light in the dark, like the moon at night. There isn't a day I don't notice your compassion. Ooh, you're the reason through it all. I can never let go. Never thought that I would feel the type of love that I have with you. You took the pain from my heart and told me that we'd see it through. All the stars in the world could outshine us never.
Right fam, that's us. We're done. That was a 5k run slash jog slash down the hill. Yeah, well, that's day 1 of week 5. See you.
Never thought that I would feel the type of love that I have with you. Ooh, you took the pain from my heart and told me that we'd see it through. All the stars in the world could outshine us never. Because it's you